Welcome. This is a restorative yoga sequence to help ease restless legs. For this class, you will need to have a wall nearby, just a bare wall. And we'll begin on our knees, tucking the toes and setting the hips on the heels. If sitting on the heels is a bit too intense today, no worries, go ahead and lean forward. Wherever you are, begin to observe the body, staying neutral with any and all sensations within the feet, the legs, the hips, maybe even within the upper back and the shoulders. Release, shake the toes, come to tabletop, inhale, dropping the belly, gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement. Begin to find some organic movement now, just circulating the waist. Feel free to rock forward and back if that feels best. When you're ready, we'll meet on our bellies. Planting the hands just underneath the shoulders, we'll inhale, peeling the chest off the mat, cobra pose, slight bend in the elbows. Exhale, melting the chest back down. We'll continue moving with the breath. Exhale, we'll melt back down, resting on our bellies. We'll go ahead and grab the left foot with the left hand, drawing the heel towards your hip. Drawing the breath into the belly, feeling the belly pressing into the mat as you inhale. Exhale, begin to soften the belly. Release, switching sides, grabbing the right foot, drawing that heel towards the hip. And we'll go ahead this time and grab both feet with both hands here. On an inhale, engage the core, pressing the feet into the hands, peeling the torso off the mat for bow pose. Exhale, release. Continue moving with the breath. Take your time here as you peel the chest up, pressing the tops of the feet into the hands. One more time, inhale. Exhale, release. Tucking the toes will send the hips up for down dog. Bending one knee, bend the other. Twisting gently side to side, finding some movement. Drop the knees, taking a child's pose, forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat. We'll begin to draw the breath into the belly, expanding the lower back as you inhale. Exhale, softening the hips and the feet, allowing the body to fully let go here. Just be heavy. Inhale, gently release. Cross the ankles, coming to your back. Planting the left foot, right ankle to the left thigh. Rest here or hug the knees towards the chest for a supine pigeon pose. Drawing the breath into the belly, observing the connection of the lower back pressing into the mat as you inhale. And we'll release, switching sides. Rest here or hug it in. Release, hug both knees, big squeeze here. And when you're all ready, we'll come to laying on our backs with your seat as close to the wall as you can get it. Taking the legs up the wall. Elbows in line with the shoulders. Drawing the breath into the chest. Exhale, softening the shoulders. No clenching in the hands, allowing the arms to be heavy. Drawing the breath into the belly. Exhale, softening the mid-back and the lower back. Softening the toes. And take this time to observe the body. Be present here with the body. Gently bend the knees, hugging the knees towards the chest. Rolling over towards your right. Full inhale. Exhale. Gently come to seated. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.